afraid of the crow's nest, only wearing a vest, and knives and all close vest, yes I have. Yes, knives and all close vest, yes I have.
This is a pirate ship, we are the captain and crew. We're such a treasure island, and for treasure that's true. We aim our cannons high, we keep our powder dry. Oh, what an adventure for me and you. Such an adventure for me and you.
No time for a nap. Take a look at the map, where X marks the spot. It's very lost. Ships are golden doubloons, so short of monsoons. We can make our fortune